Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So I just did a photo shoot today at QVC and I just wanted to show you guys. I actually started filming this video yesterday, so the night before this, and I just wondered what the heck is wrong with my light. That is just creepy. What is going on? Hold up. Okay, that's better, and I hope it's not gonna turn off on me again. Anyways, I was saying I just got back from my QVC photo shoot and I started filming this video since like last night, yesterday, like the night before this pretty much, and I just wanted to show you guys kind of how I get ready for these photo shoots, like my hair care routine and what I do to keep my hair kind of like healthy and like looking nice for the pictures, and also what I do to my skin. So pretty much just show you guys my skincare routine and what I do like the night before like a special event or a photo shoot or anything like that. So the first thing that I do the night before is actually wash my face. If I have makeup on, then I'll use this to take my makeup off. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Remover. This is so good. I just kind of like melt this in my fingers and then on my face, and it is amazing. I've only used a little bit, as you can see, and I've only used it a couple times, but I really do love this. So if I have makeup, I'll take it off. Yesterday I didn't wear any makeup, so I didn't do this step, but I did wash my face, of course, and this is what I use to wash my face. So I use Ren skincare, and this, oh my god, I am literally getting more in love with Ren skincare. Like, don't get me wrong, I mean, you guys will see in this video that obviously I don't have perfect skin. I don't know, it's just my skin, no matter what. Even if I don't pop a pimple, like, it just scars. Like, if I get a pimple, I always get a scar. It is what it is. I don't know why my skin is just like that. But I have been using a couple of things that have helped a little bit fade them away, so I'm gonna tell you guys in a little bit what I've been using. But this is the Clarifying Clay Cleanser, and what I like to do is that I put some cleanser, sometimes I put it like right on my Clarisonic, and then I start to wash my face and take off any dirt or makeup, you know. I think this is the Mia 2 Smart or something, Mia Smart Clarisonic. I love this. I've had this for maybe like a month now, and I really do love it. I love that it exfoliates my face, but I only do this every other day. I don't use this every single day because I heard that it can kind of like make you break out if you use it too much, because it can be a little bit harsh on your skin. But if you use it like every other day, you should be just fine, because I have been loving this and I feel like it really does exfoliate my face, and it really leaves my skin super smooth and ready for like my other steps in my skincare routine. And then I like to do a face mask, and this is the one that I have been loving. I'm telling you guys, I love Ren skincare. It is so good. So this is a Glycol Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask. This is for radiance and also for dark spots, and I really like this. This face mask is like, wow, it is crazy. Like, it really tingles. Like, it feels like it's almost burning, but not really. It's just tingling a little bit when you put this on, and just put it on for 10 minutes. Don't leave it for like double the time, because you never know if you're gonna react like in a bad way to it, because it is kind of strong. But I love this. I take it off with like a damp towel, warm towel, and it just feels so nice. It leaves my skin looking super smooth, and I'm in love with this. I really do love this. So I just leave this on for 10 minutes, and then when I rinse it off, I go on to my toner. So then after that, I use a toner, and this is the one that I've been using. I've literally only used this for like this week though, so I don't know if it's doing good things to my skin or not. I just know that it leaves my skin super smooth, super soft, and it takes off a lot of dirt and oil that I have in my skin. So I am liking this a lot. This is the Pixi Glow Tonic, and I just put some of this after I do my face mask. I put this on a cotton rounds, and I just clean my face with this, take out any excess oil or dirt. So after that, I like to use this serum from HENRIKSEN, and this is the Truth Serum, and this has like vitamin C, and you guys already know vitamin C is so good for dark spots and just like making your skin look more even. When you exfoliate, you put vitamin C in your skin, it really helps your skin grow back and the scars fade away a little bit more. Pretty much that's what vitamin C does. I mean, obviously it does a lot more than that, but that's what I'm using it mainly for. So after I put my vitamin C, I like to use an oil, and this is the one that I've been using lately. It's the Me Repair Tea Infused Oil. Thank you so much for sending me this, because I have been really liking this. I actually put this after my serum. I put this oil and it's just so good. Like, this is the Repair Tea Infused Oil, so it's supposed to really help with your dark spots, to make them fade away a little bit and make your skin tone look more even. And yeah, I know I have some dark spots that I still need to fade away, and I've only been using this for maybe about 3 weeks, and I really wanted to try it out before like sharing it with you guys and see if it's actually like something that I like and that I really like using. And I have been using this every single day. I mean, as you can see, I mean, I've used good amount. I just really want to make sure that I'm like really testing out some of the products that I receive, especially skincare, because skincare is like everything, guys. Like, I love skincare, and I don't want to recommend something to someone that might make them break out, but I really noticed that this helped me so much, and I feel like it leaves my skin so smooth, so ready to go to sleep. Like, I put this, I go to sleep, and I wake up with like the smoothest skin ever, and I love it. I love how all of their products are made with 100% natural ingredients. So I mean, that already is like a big plus for me. Like, it doesn't have all these added like chemicals and stuff. It's 100% natural. This is like made out of like tea. Like, what? Like, that's like crazy. But anyways, if you guys want to purchase anything from their website, they also have tea, like detoxing tea, and just like a bunch of other cool natural stuff that you guys need to go check out. If you want to check it out, I'm gonna link it down below, and you can use my code JUL15, so JUL15, I'll put it right here, and you'll get 15% off. Okay, so something else that I like to do when I put my oil is actually use my Clarisonic, like the other attachments that I have, and I only do this a couple times. I don't do this every day. But what I like to do with this oil as well is that I like to use my Clarisonic. This, oh my god, this is so good for your eyes. Like, I have the biggest eyes when I wake up, and this helps so much. And what you do is that you kind of like roll this like under your eyes. I do this at night, sometimes in the morning, but I mainly do this at night so that the next day I wake up with like nice smooth eyes, you know. So yeah, I use this under my eyes, and it just really helps depuff them and make them look smooth and ready for the next day. Okay, and the last step, no, actually there's one more step, sorry guys. But this step I love as well. This is another attachment that I can use with this Clarisonic, and what I love about this is that it really helps kind of like depuff the whole face. It massages your face, it promotes like blood flow, and it's just great. Overall, it's just really great, and I love it. Okay, the last step in my skincare routine before a very special event and a photo shoot is my pimple. So I gotta put something on my pimples so that the next day when I wake up, the pimple is almost gone, or it's a little bit smaller. And oh my god, I had to run to Sephora and grab some of these when I ran out, because these are like the best. Pretty much these are like little stickers that you put on your pimple, and after 6 hours they're supposed to be gone. They're not always gone. Sometimes if it's like a really big pimple, it'll be a little bit smaller. But if you like have a big pimple and you just like are consistent and put this on like every single day, I bet you in like 2-3 days it's gonna be gone. So this next step you can do if you're gonna blow out your hair, if you're gonna curl it like me. I just curled it. This mask is so good because you just notice like even your ends look healthier. Like, it's crazy. It's really good. It's from this brand Olaplex. I believe that's how you say it. I don't know. But pretty much all I do is that I apply that after I wash my hair. I apply that to my hair and leave it on overnight, and I love how it feels. It smells good, and it just feels a lot healthier. So I totally recommend that product if you guys are looking for a really good hair mask. Like, that is so good. And you leave it overnight, and the next morning wash it off, blow out your hair or curl it or whatever, and it's gonna make a huge difference. And after that, I curl my hair, and I use this product, Color Wow Dream Coat for curly hair. This is amazing. I don't know, every time I use this my hair curls a lot more, and sometimes my curls don't curl that much. I'll be honest, like sometimes my ends need a little bit of love, you know, like sometimes it doesn't look that great, but I feel like this helps so much with curling my hair and making it look nicer. And there you see me just like diffusing my hair, and that is what my hair comes out with, just like the diffuser, like just air drying it with my diffuser. After that, I do like to use my curling wands to just kind of fix some curls, like make them look more, just like more organized, more put together, because for pictures I just really want my hair to look on point. Like I just want it to look on point. Sometimes there's some curls that look all crazy and are not in the right place and just look crazy, and I have to fix it with my curling wands and make it look better. But as you can see, most of them are, you know, my curls, and then I have maybe like at the end I just like to fix them up a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna take you guys to QVC. I hope you guys like this little outro at QVC. I'm home now, but I did the outro at QVC, so I'll see you guys at QVC. Hey guys, so I'm here at QVC. I just finished my photo shoot. Here's what my makeup's looking like. My hair. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Anyways, I'm gonna finish here and head home, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.